everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. Today's video is all about how to log into the Bank of China mobile banking app. Whether you are checking your balance or making transactions, this quick guide will walk you through the login process step by step. So let's get started. Okay, first make sure you have downloaded and installed the Bank of China mobile banking app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app. Just slide through it and tap on Start. Select your country. I'll just tap on English. If you don't already have an account, then simply tap on Register. But for now, we're trying to log in with our credentials. So tap on Login button. Okay, now enter your username associated with your account. And then type in your login password. Make sure you are entering the correct details to avoid any login errors. If your device supports it, you will also see an option to enable fingerprint or Face ID login for faster access in the future. You can turn this on later in the settings if you prefer. Once everything's entered, tap the login button and then you'll be taken to your account dashboard where you can view balances, transfer money and manage your account. If you forgot your password, there's a forgot password option below the login button to help you reset it. Make sure your internet connection is stable while logging in. And yes, that's it. Now you'll be able to log into your Bank of China mobile banking app. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment below if you have any queries, and subscribe for more mobile banking tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.